Hey yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Nagina Muzaffarova, sophomore at the University of Minnesota, majoring in journalism and French studies. On today's video, I want to have a room tour at the Frontier Hall, University of Minnesota. So if you want to know how a single room looks like and if you want to know how I decorated my room, keep watching the video and make sure that you are subscribed because I don't want you to miss my other videos. So let's go. So guys, here we have the door. Once you enter the door, the first thing I see is the mirror and me. And I have my LED lamp here. My dad got me this LED lamp when I got like 7 from IELTS exam. It was like 3 years ago, and I decided to bring it to the US because I love it so much and it like means a lot to me. So going there, we have my postcard from New York and then Minnesota and then my stars. So these are like one of the most important stuff for me, so I put them here. I have my flag here. For some people, it might seem like a little bit weird to have their flag in their room, like especially when they're in the US, but like for me, it just gives me pride. It makes me be proud of my nation and like learn more, observe more, study more, you know. So this is how it is. And then here I have my beauty things, like my Victoria's Secret and stuff, ordinary for my skincare. And then here I have my flowers. I want to keep them till I get the next bouquet of flowers. So some beauty stuff right there. And then these are my favorites. This is like raisin and nuts from Uzbekistan and like Russian candies as well. When it comes to this tiny thing, it is helping me to have my LED lamp on. And then here I have my books, journaling thing, and then of course my board. The further we go, we can see my MacBook. I do love this. It's MacBook Pro 13-inch and I use it for editing my stuff. I use it for college. So I do love my MacBook Pro, and check out my unpacking video about my MacBook Pro 13. So the next item, very interesting thing. So what it might be, we're gonna open it together and use it because I do love this item. So guys, here we have 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. ASMR. So it is multifunctional, it has strong suction power and abundant accessories. I do love this thing. You know why? First of all, it has a lot of accessories. So it has this USB cable, so you don't have to use the cords that you use for other purposes. So what I like is that I can just put it here. Oops. I don't usually clean my whole room with this because like it's like for like small places, like very tiny places that like those like big vacuums can't clean. So what I like about this is that whenever like my desk is like dirty or like when it has like ushak, we call it in Uzbek, I can just use it like for that purposes. For example, stop, man. So we're moving on. This is my favorite ever corner. The most important thing, my photo with my parents. This like photo gives me like so much motivation. I sometimes cry by looking at it, or like I get happy, I get motivated. So my parents' photo has to be here on my desk. So guys, as we move on to the other side of my room, we can see my bed here. Here I have my Hugsy. So basically this is how it looks. The whole room has this side. I have my electrical piano, my suitcases, my baskets and stuff here. So the bed is like this and the closet is here, so the room is like pretty like enough for a single person. So usually at night it's gonna be like this beautiful. Let me know if you guys have further questions about housing or like meal plan or whatever at the University of Minnesota. I'm more than happy to help. So your every single like means a lot to me. So see you on my other videos.